Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. Today we are going to solve one question from LeetCode, that is 2 sum 2, which is a medium type. So this question is basically it will given one array with integers and one target, okay, and we need to find the indexes. So if you see, the indexes will start from 1, okay, and it is saying we will not solve with the extra space. So in my previous lecture I have solved the two sum problem, but I have used with the big of n space. Now we need to solve with constant space. Okay, so let's get started how we can solve this one. So our input will be like this: the sorted array 3, 4, 5, 10. This is sorted array in ascending order. Let's say our target is 8. Okay. So if you see 3 plus 5, so index will start from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will not start from 0, it will start from 1. So the output will be 1 and 3 because 3 plus 5 is 8. So how we can solve this one? Just understand this. I have element 3, 4, 5, and 10. Okay. See, I have one pointer start, another pointer is end. Okay. Say my start pointer pointing to this element and end pointer pointing to this element. If I sum these two, so my so the value will be 13. Okay, but the target is 8. So the value is 13. So which is the greater than target? So what I can do? I can reduce this index. So I can reduce this pointer. So I can move this pointer to here, right? Okay. So if it is of greater than target, then I'll reduce the end element. Okay. So now it is pointing to here. So this 3 will sum with this. So what is the value? 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Right. Now I got the value. The final thing is, if target is greater than sum, the target is greater than sum, then s pointer will increase. Okay. If target is less than sum, so end pointer will decrease. Okay. So let's code this one. How we can solve this without any space. Okay. So we'll take first output out array, which is size of 2 new. Okay. And now our first pointer int start, which will start from 0. Okay, and end pointer will start from n minus from the last index. Okay, so why I have taken this 0? So we will consider it as a zeroth. It is starting from the 0. So for coding it will be easy. So when we'll return, that time we'll add +1 for these two variables. Then we'll get the answer. Okay. So take the while loop. So start will go. So this while loop will run till less than n. So we'll now say this one is the uh, answer. Okay, so and will come to this part, but start will come to this part. It will start will not come to this part. Okay, so that's why s less than e. So start less than end. Now if, so here before that I need to have one variable int sum is equal to a of start plus a of end. Okay, it will sum of start index and end index of element and store here. So if sum greater than target. Okay, so if sum is greater than target means what? Will increase the start index s plus plus. Okay, else if sum is less than target, then will decrement end index end pointer. Okay, else it is same. Now it is same. So sum and target are same. So now the output we got. So out will be 0 index s plus 1 plus 1. Why? Because we have considered it as a 0 starting from the 0. So finally before returning we will sum with 1. Similarly out of 1 is n plus 1. Okay, now here start plus plus and minus minus. Otherwise we can break also, both will work. Okay, now while loop is closed, then we'll return out. So worst case, so this approach is taking worst case big of end time and time complexity of constant. Okay, so let's code this. So here we need to have size 10 a dot length and int start index will start from 0, int and index will start from n minus 1. Okay, and our output int out array is equal to of size 2 return out take while loop start. It will the while loop will run till start less than end. Okay, if now we'll take the sum a of start plus a of end. So if sum greater than target, if sum greater than target, else if sum less than target, else. So sum greater than target means we need to increment start pointer, and sum less than target means we need to decrement the end pointer. Here we got the answer means sum equals to target. So out of 0 equals to start plus 1, out of 1 equals to end plus 1, and will increment start value, will decrement end value. We can break it here also, it will work. Okay, now run this. Okay, we are getting wrong answer. Why? Sum is okay. Sum is greater than target means here we need to um, decrement the end index, and if it is less than target, then here we need to increment the start. Okay, submit it. Okay, now it is successfully solved. So hope you understood this approach. If you have any doubt, then comment down below. Thank you for watching this video.